Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we are exploring the best open source software of 2023. Apache Hudi. Apache Hudi, an essential platform for building open data lakes and enabling low latency, real-time analytics. Apache Iceberg. Another standout is Apache Iceberg, revolutionizing high-performance table formats for open data lakes, ensuring schema evolution, data compaction, and version rollback. Apache Superset. Apache Superset takes the stage as the go-to tool for data visualization, providing unparalleled capabilities for self-serve analytics at scale. Bun. And have you heard about Bun? This disruptive tool is changing the game for server-side JavaScript, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. CockroachDB. CockroachDB, a distributed SQL database, is solving scalability challenges for transaction-heavy applications. CPython. Meanwhile, the Python programming language is getting a boost in performance with transformative upgrades in CPython, the reference implementation of the Python interpreter. DuckDB. DuckDB enters the scene as a lightweight yet powerful OLAP database, challenging the norm of massive databases. HTMX Hyperscript. On the JavaScript front, HTMX and Hyperscript offer a bold alternative vision, simplifying web application development with intuitive HTML properties. Istio. Istio, a service mesh simplifying networking for container-based microservices, receives recognition for its traffic routing, monitoring, and security features. Kata Containers. Kata Containers, blending the speed of containers with the isolation of virtual machines, emerges as a secure container runtime. LangChain. LangChain, a modular framework for language models, makes it easier to develop applications powered by these models. Language Model Evaluation Harness. The Language Model Evaluation Harness, created by Iladar AI, becomes an indispensable tool for benchmarking large language models across diverse tasks. Polars. Polars, a lightning-fast data frame wrangling library, offers a compelling alternative to Pandas for large data processing. PostgreSQL. Meanwhile, the venerable PostgreSQL continues to impress, with PostgreSQL 16 bringing performance boosts and enhanced security controls. Orage Technologies is your go-to partner for cutting-edge IT solutions. From cloud-native applications to data analytics, Orage Technologies is your trusted ally in the digital transformation journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more exciting tech content.